Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many Bash scripters encounter. Picture this. You're running a Bash script, and you need it to pause for a specific amount of time, or until a key is pressed. That's the problem we'll be tackling today. Now let's talk about the solution. The key here is to use a combination of a loop and the read command in your script. In the first snippet of code, we initialize a variable into 10 and create a loop that decrements n by 1 in each iteration. We use the read n1t1 and in break command to break out of the loop if a key is pressed. This way, we achieve the desired behavior without needing the sleep1 command. Moving on to the second part of the solution, we take things up a notch. By incorporating the trap command and handling process IDs, we ensure that the script can run even more complex tasks while still being interrupted by a key press or reaching the specified time limit. This refined approach gives us more control and flexibility in managing the script's execution. In summary, we've covered a step-by-step solution to the problem of interrupting a Bash script based on time or key presses. By combining loops, the read command, and process handling techniques, we created a versatile script that meets our requirements. And that's a wrap! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy scripting!